In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a bridge port on MikroTik router. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Talhali and you're watching Zonet Solutions Tech channel, where I frequently post track related stuff. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a bridge port for multiple LAN interfaces, where you can just set up your DHCP server or PPPoE server or hotspot server just on one port, and that will be applied on all of the local area network interfaces, right?
Before we start the configuration, you should know what actually is a bridge port. A bridge port is a part of a network bridge connecting two or more network segments into a single broadcast domain. It is an interface, either physical like Ethernet or virtual, that is added to the bridge to enable communication between devices connected to those interfaces.
So for that, we are going to go to the bridge, and then here we will create a bridge port. So I just need to assign a name on this one, bridge, and then that's it. Apply, and then okay, it's already created. And you can see other settings if you require any STP. I don't know about STP on MikroTik, but I worked on STP on Cisco, so we will try that sometimes on MikroTik as well. Alright, so now you're going to go to under ports, click on the plus sign, and then assign the interfaces. So I have like one physical interface, but I created VLANs, so I'm gonna select VLAN 12, and you can, as I told you, you can create multiple bridges as well. So we created just bridge 1, so it's gonna be bridge 1. Apply, okay, and I'm gonna add another interface, VLAN 15. Apply, okay, and then I'm gonna add VLAN 11 as well. So now we have 3 ports under this bridge. So whatever setting I will apply on this bridge, that will be applied on all these 3 ports. So let's say if 3 different computers are connected to this one, and I create DHCP server on this one, then all of these will be under that one DHCP server. So now you can consider these ports has become the switch ports, and this one is the port where we'll configure everything. So let me show you. If you want to configure IP address on that bridge port, you will see that under here. You can see the bridge 1. You can assign an IP address. When you can assign an IP address, you can create DHCP server as well. Just you need to click on DHCP and then click on bridge, and go ahead with the wizard. And the same thing on the hotspot server. You can go through with the hotspot setup and select the bridge. So whatever you can do on your physical interface, you can do same thing on the bridge. So it's that easy. And I hope you liked the video, and if you want to learn something more about MikroTik, you can just comment me. I'll create a video specially for you. And in previous comments, I have seen there are like so many comments I missed. I'm gonna read one by one, and I will create videos for you guys. Don't worry, I'm reading your comments.
If you felt this video was useful for you, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.